My garbage truck's automated arm wasn't fully retracting. I need the arm to line up with the other two holes, so I can lock it with the pin. Playing with the arm a little bit until it fully retracts and lines up with the other two holes. The pin prevents the arm from coming out on its own during travel in the event that the hydraulics fail. Cart lock. This prevents the grabbers from coming down on their own during travel in the event that the hydraulics fail. You push it down to engage, pull it out to disengage. You have to disengage to be able to start picking up cans, otherwise the grabbers won't come down.